Academic integrity. What is academic integrity? It's the honest and responsible pursuit of knowledge, information, and an education without the use of improper resources or dishonest practices, according to the Anteater Guide to Academic Integrity. In other words, it means being honest, doing your own work, and following the rules of your university. Academic integrity is very important. Students are expected to do their own work and not copy from other students or from books or other sources. You've probably been in classes where some students did this. When the teacher wasn't looking, they looked at another student's paper. Or maybe you've seen someone do this when they were taking a test. They wrote notes or answers on a small piece of paper and took it out to look at during the test. This student wrote his notes on his arm and hid them under his sleeve. These are all actions that happen in schools all over the world, including in the US, but they're not acceptable. Students are expected to do their own work, even if it's not perfect. It's better to get a lower grade for your own work than to get a high grade for dishonest work. Academic integrity is about being honest and doing your own work in all situations. Besides cheating on a test, here are some more actions that are considered academic dishonesty. When a student has an assignment to turn in online, it's easy to use websites to help do that assignment, but copying from a website, book, or other source is considered cheating, and of course is not acceptable. Copy and paste is easy to do, but it doesn't help you learn, and it can get you in serious trouble. Also, it's considered dishonest to hand in a paper that you've written earlier for a different class. Someone might think, I wrote this myself. It should be okay to use it again. But this is not acceptable. Finally, helping another student cheat on a test or assignment, or helping someone commit plagiarism, is also considered academic dishonesty. At UCI, we have an Office of Academic Integrity and Student Conduct, which makes rules about what is or is not acceptable. They try to ensure that all students understand the rules, and they also set the consequences for anyone who does not follow the rules. Most universities and colleges have similar offices to help students understand the rules of academic integrity and avoid getting into trouble. What should you do if you have questions about what is or is not acceptable? First, you can talk to the professor who has made an assignment and ask what is required. Professors are generally glad to help students understand the assignment. Office hours are a good time to do this. You can also read the class syllabus that you received at the beginning of the class. It should list what is expected and probably describes the penalties for academic dishonesty. Universities also have academic advisors that you can talk to. The university's website probably also describes their academic honesty policy and sources of further information. Finally, the Anteater Guide to Academic Integrity gives these tips to ensure that you're following the rules. Make sure all work is 100% your own. Have the courage to do what is right, even when no one is watching.